Introducing the Evoqua Rotary Press, an elegant solution with few moving parts that simplifies the dewatering process. The Rotary Press requires little space and is easy to install. It offers fully automated operation, which is facilitated by an easy-to-use digital touchscreen. An adjustable feed pump delivers sludge into the press at the desired flow rate. Next, an emulsion polymer system dilutes and injects polymer into the sludge. This mixture is then pumped through the retention piping, where mixing and flocculation occur. The conditioned sludge is then fed into the filter screens to be processed. The water passes through the screens and is discharged via a gravity feed. The solids are trapped between the screens, forming a cake plug, which is then ejected out the chutes for disposal. This drier and lighter waste is much cheaper to dispose of compared to sludge dewatered with less efficient solutions. A lack of belts, bearings, and other high-wear components means little upkeep, and robust, low-maintenance filters are easily accessed through a side door, facilitating what little maintenance is required. Periodic wash cycles require only a fraction of the water used in belt presses, and the fully automated operation means that you can focus on what you do best and leave the dewatering to the Rotary Press. Contact your authorized Evoqua representative today for more information or to schedule a sludge analysis.